Hi there. Straws suck, literally and figuratively. Americans throw away 500 million of these single-use plastics every day, clogging landfills, polluting oceans and causing harm to aquatic creatures. And while reusable straws made of bamboo or metal already exist on the market, the Santa Fe-based team at FinalStraw have invented the world's first collapsible, reusable straw you can conveniently attach to your keychain so you won't forget to bring your own when you're on the go. The FinalStraw consists of a foldable stainless steel straw, a tiny squeegee to keep the straw clean and a recycled plastic case that's no bigger than a smartphone. To help reduce plastic straw use, every FinalStraw also includes 5 information cards for you to leave with your bill at restaurants that still serve plastic straws. According to the campaign, we hope to make the public more aware of the devastating effects of plastic pollution and use that awareness to pressure restaurants to stop serving straws. Our mission is to make sure we provide people with the highest quality, socially responsible and coolest reusables possible, she said. FinalStraw costs $20 on Kickstarter and comes with a lifetime warranty. The estimated delivery is November 2018. Thanks for watching us. Bye.